all cyber attack of AI systems. We talk about poisoning, we talk about evasion, we talk about privacy attacks and abuse attack. So we all know that machine learning, deep learning, all those AI stuff are based on training. So if you tackle the training data set by poisoning this data set with garbage in, we're gonna have garbage out. So among garbage in, we have data poisoning, so attacking the data set of training or attacking the code itself. Attacking the code itself, meaning changing the weights of these neural networks, etc. Evasion deal with attacking the training data, I mean the runtime data. Let's say you have cameras. We can attack those cameras. We can put dust on cameras. So camera will not perceive reality. So we'll do bad choices, bad decisions, and will cause accidents. Okay? So evasion is tackling the runtime data. And poisoning is tackling training data. Of course, guys from security will just put passwords, VPN, firewalls, blah, blah, blah. But it's not sufficient. AI attacks are innovative. And we've seen the CNSS problem of data. I will talk about it. Tay chatbot, which is ancestor of ChatGPT. It's a Microsoft chatbot that has been put online in 2016. And this chatbot has given the possibility to user to educate him. And so the user begin to feed the chatbot with the wrong ideas, with bad ideas, with garbage in. And the chatbot, after 24 hours, becomes racist. ChatGPT is not learning from you. It's simulating that it's learning from you. Because there is a workflow, hierarchical workflow, big brother behind him, telling him, this is good, this is not good. If you tell ChatGPT, tell me a joke about men, he will give you a joke about men. If you tell him, give me a joke about women, he will say, no, this is not ethical. Because there is a big brother behind, agent. And even if you tell him the triangle has 4 angles, this will be true within your session now. But if you log out and then you log in, he will tell you, no, triangle has just 3 angles. So learning is session-based to simulate. If you tell him, this is not an apple, it's a strawberry, it will say, okay. But it is just simulating learning. He will forget all you say after you log in and you log out. Of course, if your data is important and there is hierarchical workflow validating the data, this data can go to a training data set. Otherwise, it will be just data poisoning, isn't it? And so they has been poisoned by users. Here it's evasion attack. Evasion attack, these are radiography, okay? And the middle layer is paper and salt noise. Paper and salt are just perturbation of signals which are not visible to human being. So the right images is the addition of the first images plus the noise. But for us people, we cannot observe the difference between the 2 images, but the system observes the difference. The problem is that scoring the original images says that there is no cursor on them. It's green, but the changed images, the perturbated images are scored red, contain cursors. Imagine the impact on the patient. So this is evasion attack. They attack the data, runtime data, so the AI will score, will put you on jail, will diagnose this patients with wrong decisions, etc. And the human being cannot detect this, only the system. There are also two other attacks, privacy attacks. Privacy attacks means that you put some robots on the system, on IoT system, Internet of Objects, on cameras, on DVR, registering cameras, on autonomous cars, on smart rooms, and they just listen and understand and do some reverse engineering and wait till some blackout attack or till some advanced threat. This is privacy. Privacy means that I am just listening to your behavior to learn about, just like a criminal.